3, 2, 1. This is the Phantom of Many Topics on YouTube. Today is June 9th, 2019. This is a review of the Dark Phoenix movie, which is the latest X-Men movie to be released. The other critics are wrong. This was not a bad movie. Basically, this wasn't really a Marvel 616 movie either, meaning it wasn't mainstream because they changed a lot of elements, but it wasn't a bad movie. This is what I mean. Okay, so I've been collecting comic books for many years, and I have most of the issues between X-Men 94 and X-Men 137 when Jean Grey died the first time as the Phoenix. Some of the elements were changed. The Hellfire Club became space aliens and not people from Earth. They also changed something regarding Jean Grey and Charles Xavier's past. So look at it this way. It's like pineapple pizza. Some people don't like pineapple pizza. Some people think that the pizza should be pepperoni, sausage, maybe some mushrooms, maybe some black olives, maybe some green peppers, but definitely not pineapple. This is what the movie did. The movie introduced pineapple into pizza. This movie, this X-Men movie, is the least mainstream movie of the X-Men so far. And so far, the X-Men movies have followed basically the 616 plot lines with a few exceptions, like for example, Mystique is the leader, and rather than Cyclops and so forth. But overall, it's been following the 616 lead. This movie is different because it has made some changes to the X-Men timeline, and that's what people don't like. And then some people said, well, the special effects are not as good as the Avengers Endgame movie. Well, so what? They didn't spend as much money on it, and but if you had seen this movie, if this movie had been released in around the year 2000, around the first X-Men movie, it would have been in line in terms of the special effects. So overall, I did not really agree with the critics who basically trashed this movie. This isn't a turkey. This is actually, the movie overall is a B+. And like I said, if you go into it with the expectations of the special effects being around the year 2000, it would be typical for that period. I actually like what they did with the helicopters and everything else. So I can't really poo-poo it. And then even the critics who don't like it, like the scenes with the train and the train tracks at the end. So overall, I'm gonna give this movie a B+. And if you're an X-Men fan, go ahead and see this movie. If you're not, if you skip it, well, skipping a B+ movie is not a big deal either. This is the Phantom of Many Topics, signing off for now. Thank you.